In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Xero authentication code in 5 minutes. Navigating through the world of accounting software can sometimes feel like you're trying to decode the Enigma machine. Xero, however, makes things a lot simpler, especially when it comes to ensuring your account security. And one of the ways it does that is through two-factor authentication, which includes using an authentication code. This code is a crucial part of keeping your financial data safe, so let's dive into the process of how to acquire it. The first step is to visit the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the login page, a gateway to your financial data where security is not just an option but a necessity. Here you're prompted to enter your email and password. Be sure that these credentials are entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in accessing your account. Once you've filled in your login details, proceed by clicking on the login button. This action verifies your identity and takes you to your Xero dashboard, a comprehensive snapshot of your financial activities. Now it's time to navigate to your profile. This might seem straightforward, but it's an essential step in enhancing your account's security. On your dashboard, locate your profile picture, typically found at the top. The icon you're looking for might contain your company's logo or a personal image, depending on how you have personalized your Xero account. Upon finding and clicking on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll notice an option labeled Account. Clicking this leads you to the Account Settings area, a hub for various account management features including security settings. In the Account Settings area, you'll find an option for setting up additional security measures. Look for a link or a button that indicates Set Up in relation to two-factor authentication or similar terminology. This feature is what we're here for. The extra step in making sure that your account is as secure as it can be. Once you've found and clicked on the link to set up two-factor authentication, the next step is to choose Use Xero Verify. This is Xero's dedicated verification app, designed to make the authentication process both safe and user-friendly. The choice to use Xero Verify simplifies the process of getting your authentication code, crucial for logging into your account securely. At this point, you're almost there. But there's an essential component missing, the actual Xero Verify app. This app serves as the keystone in the arch of your account's security, generating a unique code each time you log in to ensure that only you have access to your financial data. So if you haven't already, go ahead and download the Xero Verify app from your phone's app store. It's available on both iOS and Android, ensuring wide accessibility. Once installed, open the Xero Verify app. Inside you will find your authentication code, a short sequence of numbers that acts as a key to access your account safely and securely. This code changes periodically, adding an extra layer of security by ensuring that even if someone were to gain access to your password, they would still need the code, which only you possess at any given time. And there you have it. You've just added an invaluable layer of security to your Xero account. Two-factor authentication, with the help of the Xero Verify app, ensures that your financial data remains secure, accessible only to you and those you trust. Remember, security in the digital age is paramount, especially when it comes to sensitive information like your financial records. By following these steps, you not only safeguard your account but also gain peace of mind, knowing that your data is protected against unauthorized access. It goes without saying, but be sure to keep your login credentials confidential and use strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Combine this with two-factor authentication, and you've got a fortress safeguarding your financial data. Thank you for joining me today. Stay secure, and may your accounts always be in balance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.